In the city of Philadelphia, our polls will be open from 7 a.m. until 8 p.m. First and foremost, it is my hope that all Philadelphians that register to vote will exercise their franchise, will get out and vote. But the reason why we're here, and the reason why I'm thankful that the city commissioners are here, and that Zach Stallberg from the Committee of 70 are here, because there's a lot of confusion this year. There was a law passed in Harrisburg that will require in November for all voters to have valid photo ID. There's questions, well, what does that mean? What's going to happen to us? Do we have to have it tomorrow? These are all natural anxieties that Philadelphians have, on top of the anxieties they always have when it comes to voting. So first and foremost, again, we want to encourage all Philadelphians to vote. Secondly, I'm glad you're here from the print media, from photojournalism, from the television and radio, to get the information out, get the phone numbers out that are so important. If tomorrow voters have a problem, if they go to vote and their name's not there, what should they do? If in fact they are in some way intimidated by someone, what should they do? But first and foremost, it's important for the voters to know that if someone might ask them for photo ID tomorrow, but that will not prohibit them, that will not stop them from voting. They can still vote tomorrow. The real issue for the photo identification is in November. It's very important. I just want to go through a few phone numbers. Tomorrow, as in every election, the district attorney's office will have approximately 60 assistant district attorneys that have been scheduled to serve with our county detectives to go out and to take any report of voter intimidation. If someone goes to vote and someone is threatening them, or someone feels that they're coercing them in any fashion, they should know that they have the absolute right to call us at the district attorney's office, and we will come out and investigate. And the number for them to call is 215-686-9641. The general number here at the district attorney's office is 215-686-8000. People are welcome to call that number as well. But we have a hotline just for the primary day, for election, for all problems that might be associated with the primary day. And again, that's 215-686-9641. It's very important for individuals to know that they can also call the city commissioner's office. And Commissioner Singer will give that. I believe it's 215-686-3461. Zach Stallberg is here on behalf of the Committee of 70. If people would like to report problems at the polling place or have any election-related questions, they can also call the Committee of 70 at a toll-free number, 1-866-687-8683. If people have problems with voting machines malfunctioning, they can also call 215-686-7800. Again, I have, and Tasha, my communications director, has distributed to all of you a list I think is very helpful. If you could publish that, if you can get that out to the public, so that tomorrow voters, if they have any type of problem, will have the right number at their fingertips so they can get the assistance that they need. Again, I believe that the photo ID, this is my own editorial opinion, that the photo ID issue is really a solution in search of a problem. And that we do have problems in Philadelphia sometimes with victim of sort of voter intimidation. We do have some voter fraud in Philadelphia. But it's generally that type of fraud where people are arguing and shouting at each other before they go to vote. Or if someone who is pushing one candidate is too close to the polling place itself, or is actually inside the polling place. Or a person who's not an authorized person goes into the polling in the booth to help, in parentheses, help someone vote. We have those types of problems, and those are the exact problems that we need people to call the district attorney's office for, so that we can go out with county detectives and the assistant district attorney to get evidence, to get real witnesses, real statements from people, so that people will not be intimidated, so that as many Philadelphians can exercise their right to vote. And again, for that number is 215-686-9641. At this time, I'd like to turn the podium over to the city commissioners first, to Commissioner